Hello everyone, welcome to Stuff Reviews. Today we'll be doing a review on this youse, I'm guessing a magnetic car vent phone holder. It says tuck and drive safely, and you put it on your vents and it goes somewhat like this. Let me get that close up. Right there, let me see. Okay, so that's how it is supposed to look. So this one I purchased it at a Five Below. Of course it was, $5 and change. And so we're going to check this out, see how, just unbox it, and we'll do a little review of it, and we will do a long-term review eventually. So just to remember, in these videos, as I do these reviews, I will come back to them and see how they're holding up. So let's try to open this. Now I want to try to open it, in a way where I wouldn't mess up the package too much, but that's out the window. Okay, so as we're opening it, it comes with a magnetic, a magnetic back plate, and it comes with instructions. And let's see, it comes with magnetic car vent holder car mount, which is this. I'm sorry, I have to keep checking. This is your magnetic car vent holder car mount, and then it comes with a magnetic car vent holder magnetic plate, and it also comes with a magnetic car vent holder sticker, and it tells you to use this guide in order to use this product. So it says here, for devices in a case, either remove the case and replace the magnet plate between your device and phone, no sticker needed, or attach a sticker to the back of your case, and once you place the sticker you can't remove it. For devices without a case, remove the backing from the sticker and attach it to the back of your device. Important, once you place the sticker you can't remove it. So this would be going on a phone, and I will be using a just a phone that is a non-working phone. This is a iPhone 7 Plus. So what it is saying to do is, if you have no case on it, and if you're okay with this, you can put it on there like this. Take this white, the white part off, and it will stick on here. But that once you do that, you can't remove this. Or you can just put it on a case, which I don't have a case to show you guys, but pretend this is the case, and so you'd put it on there like this, on the case, inside of the case, that is. I think I will be using, I might be using either or, and I will let you guys know with this, and then we will come back and do a video talking about how it's doing and if it's actually holding up and all that. So how well it holds up, on car bump, like on speed bumps, potholes. So I'll definitely get some feedback back to you guys, and we'll try this out. I still have to choose where I want to stick the magnet. I'm not too sure I want to stick it on the phone. So, more than likely, I might be doing this magnet and sticking it in the case itself. So, let's say you have a OtterBox. You put this in there like this, and then you'll slide the case on here. So you're gonna have this magnet there, and then once that is set, it should be clicking like that. So that does have a pretty strong grip. Now, mind you, we're just assimilating that this has the case on it. Also, like, let's say you just put the sticker on it, the magnet with the sticker. So it would go like this. This would be like this on your vent. So stay tuned for the upcoming review, the long-term review. I'll be doing two. So I'll be doing one where I'll get a feel for the product, and then we'll be doing a long-term one. And that's pretty much it that comes with this product. It doesn't really have a lot. Simple instructions, simple to read, simple to follow. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. 3 items that you receive in this case. So if you liked what you saw, hit that like button and that subscribe button, and hope to see you back. Remember, we'll be doing those follow-up videos on the products, so stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for stopping by.